What is a brake system warning light? A brake system warning light is a dashboard indicator designed to alert you to issues in your braking system. These lights typically appear in red or amber and may include the words brake ABS, circles with exclamation points or dotted lines. A brake system warning light signals problems with your vehicle's braking system, like low fluid, worn pads, or ABS failure, that require immediate attention. First, the red brake warning light. This red light often indicates that your parking brake is engaged or that there's a more serious problem with your hydraulic braking system. What to do? First, release your parking brake. If the light stays on, check your brake fluid level. Still on? It's time for a professional free brake inspection. Did you know? Brake fluid doesn't evaporate on its own. If it's low, there's likely a leak, or your brake pads are dangerously thin. Both are red flags that need expert attention. Second, the ABS, anti-lock braking system light. This amber light tells you the ABS system isn't working properly. The brakes will still function, but your anti-lock safety feature is disabled. Drive with caution, especially on slick roads. ABS issues are often related to sensors or control modules and should be diagnosed soon to avoid skidding during sudden stops. 3. Brake pad wear indicator light. If your vehicle has this feature, it'll activate when your brake pads are worn below a safe limit. This icon often looks like a circle surrounded by dashed lines. What to do? Schedule a brake pad replacement right away. Continuing to drive with worn pads can damage your rotors and significantly increase repair costs. 4th, brake fluid warning light. This usually indicates low brake fluid, a critical issue that compromises your car's ability to stop. What to do? Top off the brake fluid if you're confident doing so, but this is only a temporary fix. A leak or moisture contamination can cause long-term system damage. Always follow up with an inspection. Did you know? Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. This can lead to internal corrosion and brake failure, which is why it's smart to flush it every 2 years or every 30,000 miles, or at every brake job, whether or not you see a warning light. 5th, parking brake light. It's a reminder that your parking brake may still be engaged, or the sensor may be malfunctioning. What to do? Release the brake fully and check again. If the light stays on, have it checked during your next service visit. When to pull over immediately? Pull over safely and call for a tow if you notice a soft or sinking brake pedal, grinding, squealing, or burning smells. Your vehicle pulling to one side while braking. These symptoms suggest your brakes are no longer functioning safely. Continuing to drive in this condition puts you and everyone around you at serious risk. Brakes are your car's most critical safety feature. When they fail, accidents happen fast. If a brake warning light appears or you notice any unusual noises, smells, or pedal feel, treat it as an emergency. Pull over, call for professional help, and have your system inspected immediately. Remember, it's always better to lose a little time waiting for repairs than to lose control on the road.